Valentine. Valentine card.
Valentine.
Card. So, you go there.
Eliza whistle.
Yeah, and what? So, Eliza will make cards, and I will just help. My hands will want to help. Nobody else, only my hands. So, what we have here? We have some prints that are special printed. You can do it with with printer. Just find it on the internet. Some hearts. Make it yourself. I make it most myself. Something. And these cards. With these cards, we will make little postcards. With these cards, we will make postcards. Something. What do you want to add? We have some flowers. Rose flowers, white flowers. What is red with white? Oh, it's rose. Yeah, this one. You like some flowers? It's for you. So, I have also some. Oh, look, it's really nice. Look, we have some printed. I think it's also really nice. Look, we have some printed. Nice, yeah? We can use it both. We can use it with paper. Wow. Wow. Yes. I need this one. Maybe? Look at your art. Oh, this one. What do you think?
Glass.
Yes, okay. It's nice. Yes, it should be nice. I don't have enough light here. I'm going to read something very nice. Just this one and this one? Or you want other color?
This and this.
Which?
This.
This you will make small. You can choose maybe with rose or with glitter rose. Yes, you can see. No. Big one or small?
Small.
Small. Here. This one? Okay, but you need to put it correct that it's go inside. Super. And you just draw. So we will make one of two.
One.
Okay. You want make one big like it? Also not with this big? Okay. Look. Now you can cut it out. Here. It's your job. So. muffins, the wafers with muffins, honey jars, flowers, and maybe make it more. Okay, super. Look, we have. Okay, what do you need? We have now postcards. Which postcard do you want to use? Maybe some watercolor or this color. What color? Blue.
I think this way. Right. But I think better.
Oh, it's going to nice, yeah. Okay.
And now we
Yeah.
need
Cards we open like it. So, yes, we need. We'll first glue this one. It's good. Then we glue this one, this heart, and maybe we use some this glue. No, you can maybe try with it. Yeah. So,
how?
so first place it here. Not so much in here. And use some. But it's enough. It's enough. And do you know for what is it?
Ice cream!
Yes, normally yeah. But now we will use it just for glue. So maybe use some paper on that to don't make it too fast. So use make it yeah. Okay. Some filled out. And look, wait, no, we'll use this one also for everything. Yeah, why we didn't use it? You have here nice things to use to disperse some places. We use it.
Last one.
Or if you can place it in the middle. Make it more open. Maybe we will make it more open. Ah, yes, good. Good. And one will much more open.
So?
Yes, and now this one, just next to, I will have you. 1, 2 hours better to leave it. Yeah, wait, we don't see it. Yeah, okay. Here also to show.
And then
Look, wow. Yeah. Do you like it?
yes! Shut this.
Wait, I'll leave this video later. Yeah.
What are we flavor of?
What do you
Subscribe me and see more videos.